what is up? It's that time of the week again. So DCS is right here. Welcome back to my videos, guys. So yup, you know what's in front of me. It's the Porsche Carrera GT, guys. So you know what video is this? It's the testing video of the famous drift car, the Porsche Carrera GT. So this is such an amazing moment. So we have to check this car's performance. Like, is it really that good? Like, it's really amazing car, guys. Like, it seriously has a lot of features that I explained in the last video. If you didn't watch that, it'll be popping up on the screen right now, so check that out too. So yeah, guys, going up to today, so we're gonna perform the almost a similar test, but there'll be another test for its capability, that is the drifting test. So we have to check out whether this car can actually drift with those drift tires. So yeah, let's go for it, guys. First, let's head on to the Howling Challenge, which is quite mandatory in the RC car testing segment. So yeah, let's head on to the Howling Challenge, and then comes the Timer Challenge, guys, which will of course judge its speed, and then we'll go for the drift, guys. That's the best part on this car. So let's turn on those neons and check out what this car got. So yup, here it comes. Okay, guys, so coming up to the Howling Challenge. So yup, you know, in the Howling Challenge, the car has to grip on this slippery surface right here as much as it can. So in this car right here, we have two options. First is the grip tires and the drift tires. Obviously, it won't be so good to test it with the drift tires as it's more slippery, so we have to try it with the grip ones. So yup, we'll set the grip ones right away, right now. Okay, starting up with the Howling Challenge right here. So we have got the grip tires on the Porsche. So let's see how this car handles in this smooth surface, guys. So let's go for it in 3, in 2, in 1. Oh, okay, guys. So here the car goes. Oh my God, it's getting such an immense acceleration, guys. Oh, the howling is purely awesome. Like, take a look at that car. Oh my God, it's going so fast, like even the camera can't catch it. Oh my God, there it goes. Oh, where did it go? Oh guys, oh, that was a crash. Damn, even the Audi did that well. So yup, here the car takes a turn. Oh my God, guys, you guys have to see that speed in this car. Well, it still drifts a little bit, but it's not so bad, guys. Like, its acceleration is totally immense. So yep, guys, as we have tested this car, we have seen it, how much grip it gets. It really gets so awesome. Like, even though you have the grip tires on, it doesn't spin out too much. This is really such a super fine car, guys. So in the Howling Challenge, I would like to give it a rating out of 10 as 8. Guys, this car is so cool. Like, I had to give it an 8, so it has deserved an 8 out of 10 in the Howling Challenge, guys. So yup, let's move on to the next one. That's the Timer, or as you call it, the Speed Challenge. So let's go. Guys, here we are on the rough terrain. So you know what it is. It's the Speed Challenge, guys. So most of it might be calling it the Timer Challenge, and most of it the Speed Challenge. So yup, let's see how does this car perform. So I hope that this car gives it its best shot, as it has that superb function called as the all-wheel drive. So yup, let's begin with the Speed Challenge. So yup, let's go for it in 3, in 2, in 1. Oh, okay, guys, so here the car picks up. And then there it goes. It's traveling really fast, guys, like it may not be in the video. And there it stops. Oh guys, that was so fast. So let's see how much this car has taken, like the time it has taken. So let's go for it. Okay, guys, so yup, here the car has arrived again. So yup, guys, here talking about the time it has taken, guys. So yup, here it tells that the car has taken hardly 6.5 seconds, guys. That's so amazing. Like, it traveled in immense speed, guys, and you're calculating the speed according to the distance and everything. It has a speed up to 11 kilometers per hour, guys. That's really extreme on this 124 scale RC car right here. I think it would pull off better when it's charged full. So yeah, guys, so we'll approximately keep it as 12, as it's 11.5 now. It's 12 kilometers per hour, guys. That's an amazing speed of this car. So yeah, guys, time for the rating. So I would give it an 8. Yup, an 8 out of 10, guys. An 8 out of 10. Like, it has done really good in the speed challenge too. And yup, I would give it an 8 out of 10. It's really amazing to look at this car doing so well. So yup, coming up to the next one, guys, that's the drift challenge. So let's go for it as quick as possible. So yup, let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are in the drift challenge. So this is the main part of the video, the drifting. It is obviously gonna be so cool looking at this car drift. So oh my god, guys, fingers crossed, this car should do awesome. It should do well. So yup, let's begin with this in 3, in 2, in 1. Oh, okay, guys, so here the car sets off. Oh, guys, look at that 8-shaped drift. It just did that 8-shaped drift. Oh my god, that's so amazing. Oh, guys, take a look at that. It's really cool in drifting, guys. Like, this car is legit awesome. Wow. Whoa, 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 here the car comes. Oh my god, this car is truly good, guys. Oh, but it's lost power. That's the major thing. Oh my god, guys, but still, this car, even though it lost power, it's doing quite well. Like, look at that. Oh, well, it's gripped up now. Oh, so you can hear that squeaks of the tires. Like, not exact ones, but a bit. Okay, it does that spins, which is cool. It's quite good in reverse too. Guys, this car is legit amazing, guys. So, yup. Oh, there it bangs up. Okay, so here it comes back, and then here it stops, guys. This car is truly awesome. Like, it's really good in drifting, guys. I give it a rating out of 10. I would like to give it an 8.5 out of 10 in the drifting challenge, guys. This car has really blown my mind. Even though it has lost so much power, it still does the drift, guys. So, yup. Coming to an end to the video. Okay, guys, so here we have come to the end of my video right here. So I have done all the tests that was mentioned, and yup, at first we went on with the handling challenge. So it had scored really good in that. I got an 8 out of 10, which is so amazing for this car right here. And when I went to the second challenge, that was the speed one, it really did it in one shot, guys. So it just took 6.5 seconds, which is truly amazing for a car, and it had a speed of 11 kilometers per hour. It's so cool with its almost best performing, you know, the function all-wheel drive system. It's so amazing on this car, guys. That's what brings the shine out of it. And yup, coming up to the last challenge, it had scored 8.5 because it was the best part, guys. This car drifted so cool, and yup, I have nothing else to say, guys. This car is so amazing in its drift performance. So yup. And coming up to the total of all the ratings which I gave for this car, out of 30, it has got an 24.5. It's so amazing for this 124 scale right here. It's really good, known for its all-wheel drive system. So yup, I think it's crazy more about the all-wheel drive. But this car is legit awesome, guys. So yup, as I have ended up my video, you know what to do. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share it to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week with a brand new car, guys. Till then, stay tuned, and yup, comment down below that what kind of challenge I had to post for its performance, or what I missed talking about. So yeah, guys, till then, enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.